Okay, so we've just bought a Bing Pet harness for our cat, and she's getting used to it after adjustment. And we're planning to take her for a walk later on. And it looks quite good on her. We've given her a treat and we're going to play with her so she forgets about it and gets used to it. And she loves flossing.
She moves quite naturally. She forgot, I think, that she has
Yep, and we're going to test it outside soon. So we'll tell you how it goes. So now we're actually in the park walking Pixie, and she's actually kind of getting used to it, and she's doing really well. It's just sometimes she might want to stop by to have a look, and the best thing is that she listens to you sometimes, but it's as well a little bit annoying when she has to stop like this. And so you also have to make sure that if you're walking your cat, you have to keep them away from the road. Thank you for watching the video. Bye!